Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove malware from your Windows PC with McAfee Malware Cleaner. As the name suggests, or you can see the title, it is only available for Windows PC. That means you can use on any Windows PC such as Windows 11 or 10, 7, 8, whatever you were using. To use this software, you need to download the latest version of this one McAfee malware cleaner because it gets updated daily with the latest with the latest antivirus definition. So what you have to do is you need to download the latest version from this one McAfee website, and after that run on your PC. Then after opening the McAfee malware cleaner, you will see like this one screen. This will remove malware as well as adware from browser in case it is infected. Before cleaning, McAfee malware cleaner will create a system restore point that is written as system snapshot. In case your PC gets damaged or unstable, you can restore your PC with system restore point that is created by McAfee malware cleaner. After that, once it will create a snapshot, it will scan and clean your PC. At last, it will restart your PC to scan your PC. Just select this one agreement and then click on scan and clean button. Then it will take around 15 to 13 minutes. So I will stop it here and I will show you rest of the procedure what this software will do on your PC. Once McAfee malware cleaner scans your PC, you will see results like something you are s- seeing here. You will see infected files, number of infected files, number of infected registry entries, as well as browsers reset. How many browsers files have been resetted? You can see here. Just click on this one entries, any of these entries to see in details. You can similarly click on this one registry entries which are going to be erased by McAfee malware scanner. Once you are satisfied, just restart your PC and your PC will be virus free. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.